Russell again with Alpha Innovations. We'll talk more about modular options for your Alpha DAP rack. We also have the Packout option. We provide plates to mount Packouts all over the side panels and in the bed of your vehicle. For Can-Am, we have an integrated bed rail system with some L-track. It gives you 4 spots that you can mount Packouts. 2 on this side, nothing over here, 2 here. You decide. They're individual pockets. As you see, fully loaded Alpha Innovations, Milwaukee Packouts. Want more information? Go to alpharackusa.com.